Hi, this is Alex with Roadometry, and I'm just going to do a quick demo in this video of how to create a region legend image for a video survey. Okay, so let's say we want to create the legend image for this file. I'm just going to open this up with VLC Media Player. Okay, I'll pause it, and then under Video, take Snapshot. And that's going to appear in your Pictures folder, so the one I just took is right here. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to move it into this folder. And I'm just going to drag and drop this image in here. And then under File, Document Properties, I'm going to resize to Drawing or Selection. Okay, and for this video, I'm just going to start by labeling the approaches and exits. Usually I like to set the color to red and bold it. And let's just make it a little bit smaller here. So alternatively, you can call it just like A1 for approach 1. That's going to be approach 2, approach 3, and approach 4. Okay, so you'll notice those approaches are labeled counterclockwise, and I usually start approach 1 as the nearest approach to the camera. Okay, now let's label the exits. So exit 1 is going to be basically straight across from approach 1. Okay, so that would probably be good enough for this intersection, but in case you want to actually draw each movement, you can do that like this. So you go to Bezier Curves, select your start and exit point. Oops. Okay, so the reason this looks a little funny here is that there is both a fill and stroke configured. So we want to remove the fill by just hitting this X here. Okay, and under stroke style, I usually like to thicken it up a bit so it's visible, and I like to create an arrow pointing to the end. So you might have to play around a bit to get the right arrow selected on the right side here. But basically that's it there. Okay, so I'm going to delete this just because we're not using it for this one. And now I'm going to export this. So that's export PNG image, select page, export as, choose where you want that to go. And then hit export. Okay, now let's just take a look at that to make sure. And looks good. Okay, thank you. Hopefully that was helpful.